What's up, Grenade Squad? Today we're talking about love, lies, and alleged side pieces. South African celeb relationships, they don't just end, guys. They explode, from public breakups to messy Instagram rants. Here are 10 South African celebrities who have been accused of cheating. Let's get into the drama. At number 1, we have AKA. When it comes to cheating scandals, AKA's name always comes up. His relationship with DJ Zinhle ended amid rumors he cheated with Ubonang Matheba. It became one of the biggest love triangles in SA entertainment history. Tweets were flying, interviews were shady, and the timeline messy. Nothing was ever fully confirmed, but the drama, historic. At number 2, we have Black Coffee. His divorce from Moentle Mbali turned very public. There were allegations of infidelity during their marriage, with multiple women reportedly linked to him. Entle hinted at betrayal and emotional pain in interviews. Again, allegations, but it was enough to shake Mzansi. Number 3, we have Casper Nyovest. Casper and Thobeka Majozi kept things private until rumors started. Social media accused him of stepping out during their relationship. Casper never openly admitted to cheating, but fans were convinced something happened behind the scenes. Mzansi detectives don't sleep. And number 4, we have Musa Mseleku. Okay, technically he's polygamous, but fans of Uthando Nesembu has accused him of emotionally cheating when bringing in new wives without proper communication. It's not traditional cheating, but the drama between the wives, At number 5, we have Master KG. His on and off relationship with Umakadzi had social media in a chokehold. There were allegations of cheating from both sides during their messy breakups. Cryptic posts, unfollowed drama, deleted pictures, you know the vibes. At number 6, we have Andile Mpisane. When Andile married Tamia Low, many fans accused him of overlapping relationships. His ex, Sithelo Shozi, was publicly linked to him before the marriage. The timeline had people asking questions, and social media, brutal. At number 7, we have Zakes Bantwini. There were rumors online accusing him of cheating on Nandi Madida. Both of them denied the claims, right, and appeared united. But for a minute there, the internet was convinced something was off. At number 8, we have Prince KB. This one was confirmed. Prince KB publicly admitted to cheating after explicit content linked to him went viral. He apologized publicly and Mzansi dragged him for weeks. At number 9, we have Baby Cele. She once revealed that infidelity was part of the reason her previous marriage ended. Though she didn't spill all the tea, she hinted that betrayal played a role. Sometimes silence says enough. Lastly, at number 10 is TK Nciza. His split from Nhlanhla Nciza shocked the fans. There were allegations of infidelity circulating online when news of their separation broke. Neither party confirmed details, but the rumor mill was active. Listen, relationships are complicated, but when you're famous, every DM, every like, every unfollow becomes evidence. Which of these scandals shocked you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. This is Gossip Grenade, and I'll see you in the next explosion.